Good morning, world. Oh, my back. Ah. Well, welcome everybody. This is Agentcooper5 back with another video. Ooh, oh, my God. Oh. How do you do oven? Let me get that phone. Hello, phone. Let me just type in that. Need new microwave. Oh, good. It's right over here. Yada. Ooh, here it is. My special own microwave. Woo! Yeah. Oh, yeah. You stop? Oh. Alright. My very own microwave. It stinks? It's perfect! Alright, let me just put my microwave right here. Remove this one. Alright, all destroyed. Let's see, what can I make? No. Oh, I can I can warm up my thing. Okay, just put it inside. Okay, let's wait. What is this? What? I'm getting confused. But hey, where's my my kick? My mighty foot. Alright, wait. It says right here. No, I forgot. I'll figure that out later. Let me just get my. Okay, got it. How does this work? Okay, I press this button. Oh! How am I? Looks like I'm in some sort of cave. Oh, what the? Hey, excuse me! Excuse me, can you speak English?
Io parlo una lingua straniera.
Oh, it's a caveman! Ooga booga! Oh no! Oh, guys. Oh no! Wait. Yeah. Where am I now? Dude, oh, don't tell me. Am I at the desert? How am I supposed to get home? Wait, I think I see it. Okay, hopefully this time it will take me home. Right now. Is that theater music? Excuse me, can you gentlemen help me? Said they can't hear me. The loud music! Wait! Is that the legendary Abraham Lincoln? Wait! No! Is that John? Oh, he's gonna commit the assassination! I gotta stop him before it's too late! I'm coming! Got you now! Oh, I saved you, Mr. President! I saved you!
Grazie per
And this is where I leave. Oh, here it is. Just need to. Yeah! Have I hit the water? Excuse me, can you help me?
No, but Mr. Krabs, can you kick out this nice gentleman?
Oh. Hi, it seems like I have to sneak inside. Because, let me just look through the window. There it is. I just need to find a way to remove that code. I can't see a thing. I found something. Alright, now I can see. Alright. Alright. So he's looking down. So I just have to. Perfect. He doesn't see me. It's a fine place to break in. I think I have an idea. Try to go in. Try to go in. Oh. Alright. Okay. There he is. What a big head. He looks like a squid. Oh. I have to take him out. Using it carefully. Burn! Burn, you medieval squid! Burn! God, I need to take care of that crab. Burn! Burn! Is that a sponge? I need to burn him too. Burn! Burn! Oh, it's a microwave gun. Whoo, doesn't work. Alright, ah! Ah! Where am I? Is this a boat? Hey, excuse me. Do you actually speak English?
Yes, of course, Captain.
Uh,
I speak English. What's all that commotion with you?
I'm not your captain.
What are you talking about? Are you drunk or something, Captain?
No, I think you are.
What? Am I? I'm not drunk, you son of a... Sink.
Wait, what?
Die.
Oh, I'm gonna kill you! Get over here! That guy saved all the people on the boat! Oh, I need to grab the physics gun! Okay, I got it! Woo! Oh! Thank you, physics gun! I stole from the dead body. Alright, gotta go find that microwave. Oh, there it is! Get down and punch it. Oh! It's all a nightmare. Oh, wait. This is not my house. Oh, I must have changed my timeline. That means that caveman I saw was my great 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 Grimish. Great 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 ancestor. And I disturbed him. Meanwhile, he was. What do cavemen do? Wait! He was the one inventing fire. My great grandfather must have invented the fire. But since I disturbed him, he didn't make the fire. Wait, then who made the fire? No, it can't be possible. No way. It's an Italian picture. The Italians made